How to underline text on Instagram. So the very first thing you should know that there is no any feature to underline the text on Instagram. But still there is an alternative way to do it. What you want to do is head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you're on your Safari, in the search bar, search for underline text generator. Well, different sites will be available to you. You can head over to any one of it. So let me move into the very first site. It will land you on this page. Scroll down, and in this section, you simply have to write the text that you want to underline. Once you have entered the text, just below that, you will be able to see all the format of the underlines. Let's say I want the very first one. All you want to do is tap on copy. Once it has been copied, head over to your application Instagram. Move into the inbox of the person that you want to send the text. Now simply paste the text that you have copied, and then you can send the text. There you can see that the underlined text has been successfully sent. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can underline the text on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.